My beloved child, I see your pain. Not a single tear goes unnoticed before my eyes. In the days when everything feels dark, I am your light. When your heart cries in silence, I am the one who listens. You are not alone. Even when the world abandons you, I remain by your side. My spirit surrounds you now, bringing peace where there is anguish, healing where there is hurt. Trust in me. Even when everything seems lost, I have a purpose. What hurts today will become your testimony tomorrow. Rest in my arms and let me heal your soul. For those who mourn will be comforted, and those who wait on me shall renew their strength. I am Jesus, your Savior, your faithful friend, the one who will never leave you.